Today, I wanted to go over the top reasons why Utah Cord Bank regenerative medicine products are superior to others. Number one, Utah Cord Bank was the first labs in the country to start banking umbilical cord cells back in 2004. We are one of the premier labs in the world today for producing injectable regenerative therapies. We produce regenerative medical therapies from umbilical cord blood and tissue of local scheduled C-section deliveries. Number two, our umbilical cord-based therapies may offer significant advantages over adult stem cells derived from adipose tissues or bone marrow that are worth considering. Our umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cells are young and healthy. Younger cells have demonstrated the capacity to self-replicate faster and more times over than adult stem cells. Specifically, cells from adult adipose tissue or bone marrow are more aged and limited in what they can do and become. These older cells do not divide as rapidly, nor do they have as many divisions left in them, so the likelihood of cell division and growth once injected into your patient may be significantly lower. Number three, our products are harvested and cryogenically preserved within a few short hours following a cesarean delivery so that they retain high cellular viability. Many laboratories haven't even received their samples within 24 hours post-delivery. Number four, our donors and samples are screened and tested to ensure they're free of disease or contamination. Number five, Utah Cord Bank's products, through independent laboratory testing, have demonstrated cell counts that are among the absolute highest in the industry. Ask us directly to show and compare our products against any other on this tissue-specific metric. Number six, StemShot and StemVive have demonstrated equal or higher cellular viability post-cryopreservation and thaw than any other product on the market. StemVive CB, cord blood only, has demonstrated cellular viability of 91% with a stem cell count that is equal to or superior to anything on the market today. StemVive has demonstrated cellular viability post-cryopreservation and thaw of 88% through independent laboratory testing from two separate labs. There are few, if any, other companies or regenerative therapy products on the market today that have demonstrated comparable cellular viability post-cryopreservation and thaw. Number seven, Utah Cord Bank's method of cell preservation has demonstrated the ability in vitro to grow colony-forming units post-cryopreservation and thaw from our products. This test determines if the cells can actually proliferate and form colonies once they've been placed in a dish. Most laboratories have never demonstrated this with their products. This has also been validated through independent laboratory testing. Number eight, StemShot and StemVive injectable regenerative therapies are rich in young, healthy growth factors, cytokines, cord blood serum, and other immunoprotective cells. Stem cells are just one single component of regenerative medicine. The cellular components around the cells that may facilitate cellular repair and regeneration are just as important as the effects of the stem cells themselves. Specifically, the number, type, quality, and age of the growth factors, cytokines, anti-inflammatory, and pro-autoimmune components, etc. Our umbilical cord cells offer some significant advantages here versus adult stem cells. They not only contain growth factors and young healthy cells, but also the extracellular protein matrix, which provides the scaffolding upon which the new undifferentiated cells will take form. Number nine, StemShot and StemVive are made from multiple components of the birth tissue: cord blood, serum, cord tissue, amniotic membrane, and Wharton jelly, each of which offers special properties that may contribute to repair, regeneration, inflammation reduction, and immune modulation. Number 10, Utah Cord Bank maintains a completely flawless record with the FDA inspection and regulation. Our most recent inspection, January 2018. Number 11, Utah Cord Bank's pricing is as good and in most cases superior to any comparable product on the market today. Our umbilical cord-based cells may offer distinct advantages over regenerative injectable therapies derived from bone marrow, adipose tissue,